Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an error E06 and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So first of all, the error itself, the E6 error, is a motor issue. So the motor is not able to turn, or the machine is sensing that it's not able to turn. So unfortunately, the bad news is there's not an easy fix for this, because this could be a burnt out motor, it could be the wiring to the motor that's not working right, it could be an error on the control board that's not sending the right signals to the motor. It could be any of those things. So most of the time you're just going to need to call a technician for the E6 error, but before you do that, before you spend the money and the time, I would recommend that you do, just like a computer that's not acting right, is to do a hard restart on your washing machine before you go calling a technician, because sometimes that'll clear out these issues. So to do that, all you need to do is turn it off and then disconnect it from power for a full minute. So that means either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit, wait a minute, and then restore power, turn it on. That will clear out the error, and then you'll just have to see if the error doesn't come back. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.